kidding me?
All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to.
Hi guys, my name is Anna from Peppered in Style, and today I'm going to bring you this loose waves look. It started off as parted in the middle, but that wasn't working. So you'll see why. So this is a little tutorial on how I do my loose waves look using the T3 Convertible Base and the loose waves 1.5 inch straight barrel. Okay, so I am starting with clean hair. I have straightened it a little bit just to get rid of some of the frizz. It's very hot and humid this week here, and I have very frizzy hair, so I need to tame down that frizz first. So to get the loose waves, today I am using the T3 Convertible Base, and then the loose waves straight barrel, and this is the 1.5 inch. So this is the thicker one. Okay, this will get you the nice loose waves as opposed to the tighter kind of curls. Okay, so I'm going to gather just the very top of my hair. It's about 1/4 of the way. And flip it up here. And then I separate my hair in half. This half I separate in about 3 sections, same on the other side. So I'm just going to twist, and as I twist, I'm also twisting my wrist. Sorry, I drew a blank there. And then I leave just about 1 inch of the end off. Leave it on for a few seconds. You gauge your hair. Now I go to the next section and do the same. Twist around the barrel and twist my wrist. This is a very natural movement. Your hand will do this anyways, so you don't have to worry about trying to get the hair perfectly flat around the barrel. So my hair, because I did straighten it, is going to take a little longer than normal to get it curled. I usually do about 8 to 10 seconds. I'm doing a little bit longer this time. So you want to leave it to cool off like this before you kind of brush it out with your fingers. So now I'm going to move on to the next side. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may. I like to love you, love you. Okay, so now I unclip the top, and I had it parted to one side, but I normally part down the middle if it wants to behave today. So again, gonna part it in about, I don't know, 1 inch sections, just large sections, not too large, not too small either. And twist around. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like
to love you, if I may. I'd like to love you.
Section. Okay, so now that we have it all sprayed up, I am going to run my fingers, if I can.
I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day.
Okay, so my part in the middle does not want to cooperate today. It's probably because I had it to the side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it back to the side, which is fine. I actually like it better like this. So then I finish it up with this wave spray. Just spritz a little bit. It smells amazing too. Not a lot, just a tiny little bit of spritz. More piecey waves if you like that. If not, then you know you could skip that step. Get it back a little bit here. And this is my loose waves tutorial using the T3 Convertible Base and the 1.5 inch loose wave straight barrel. I hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, just ask below. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so that you get notifications every time I post. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. And then you can... Uh-oh, I think I just burned my desk. So, I need a place to put this. I just burned my desk. Whoops. Oh! Oh, are you kidding me?